Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play audio and clips and music and sound effects all through your mic and voice chat, Discord calls, and etc. So head on down to this website called soundpad.com. I'll leave the link in the description. You want to click download, and there's 64-bit, obviously that one. I don't know a lot of computers that have 32-bit, but if that's your computer, there you go. Yeah, so you can have 10 minimum sounds, and you could just delete them and add new ones. And every time you place 10 sounds, you have to reopen the app. Yeah, it's kind of annoying, but or you could get the premium version. And here, yeah, you could get it on Steam or just click the download above. And I'm not gonna download it because I already have it. And now here, once you get the app, this is what it should look like. I already have sound effects, and in the top right, you should see the headphone slide bar. Once you click that, a pop-up will come up, and then the right photo will show preferences where you can change the audio, the decibels, and how loud you want your mic to be. It all depending on your mic and your volume. So yeah, now I'm going to show you some clips of it in use. And here's what happens when I try to get footage.